order of integers. So it's easier to understand if we are going to form a number line. So a number line means a line that has a number on it. Basically, it means that there is a line and we are going to put 0 in the middle, and as we learned that all it's in right is positive and on the left is negative. Now, with this, we can say that an integer on the left is less than an integer on the right. So when we do this, when we compare two integers, we use inequality symbol. When we say inequality symbol, it is a symbol to tell that something is not equal between the left and the right side. So what are the symbol that we use? We have example, you have your more than symbol. This symbol means greater than, more than, or larger than. And we also have the symbol less than, which means less than, smaller than, and shorter than. So for example, if we are looking at what symbol should we put for -4 and -5, well, we could say that since in here an integer on the left is less than an integer on the right, we could say that this is -4 is more than -5, because if we are going to draw or continue the number line here, -3, -4, -5, we can find that the -4 is actually on the left side of the -5 is actually on the left side of -4, which makes -4 a bigger number. Okay, so aside from comparing two integers, we could actually order integers in ascending order. What do we mean by ascending order? Ascending order, that is arranging the numbers from the smallest number to biggest number. So if we have ascending, that is from small going to up or the big, we also have the other one, which is from the highest number to lowest number, and we call it, or we arrange it in descending order. Let's have some example. For example, let's arrange -4, -2, 1, 0, -5, and 8. So we can say that the smallest number here is not 0, it will be -4. If we're going to look at a number line, it will be -4, followed by -2. Okay, actually it should be -5, since that one is much lower than -4. And then we have 0, 1, and 8. So we arrange it from the smallest going to biggest. It's like going up. On the other hand, descending order is the vice versa, which is we're going to start from the highest and going to the lowest. Let's have an example. Let's say -8, 7, -7, 6, -3, 0, and 5. The highest number is not -8 because it's negative. So we will go with number 6, +6, followed by 5. We have 0, -3, -7, and -8. So from the highest number, -6, to the lowest number, -8, that is just like falling down or going down. Again, we have the symbols positive, negative for integers, how to compare them using less than and more than. Now, how to arrange them or in order, that is in ascending order, going up, and descending order, going down.